Good morning, students. I myself, IK Misra, once again came here for proceeding the chapter 5 fraction. Students, in previous video, I discussed the problems of exercise 5E of R. Sagwal book. Students, before that, I discussed addition of subtraction. That means how will you add the fractions in previous videos I discussed already. Now in this video I am going to discuss how will you subtract two fractions. That means find the subtraction or find the difference of two fractions. So now let's start subtraction of fractions. Friends, here observe, you remind the previous video, you remind the process of addition. In process of addition, students, called, first of all, take LCM of denominator. Here also you take first LCM of denominators and then divide the LCM by each denominator and multiply the quotient in each numerator, corresponding numerator of the fraction, and do the process like addition. So students, here we will study this by some examples. Here I write examples. Suppose here find subtract 3 by 4 from 8 by 9. Here students, you have to subtract this fraction from this. That means it will be written as 8 by 9 minus 3 by 4. Students, here observe, here notice which fraction is subtracted from by which. That means here 3 by 4 is subtracted from this. That means from by the fraction we have to subtract, right? First here from 8 by 9 we have to subtract this. So 8 by 9 is written first and 3 by 4 is written after. Now first find the LCM of, here LCM of 9 and 4 is equal to 36. So students, here first of all write it as 36. Here 36 is written in denominator, and when you divide 36 by 9 4 times, that means 8 into 4 minus 3 into, when you divide it by 36 by 4 9 times. Here a student, after that here 32 minus 27 by 36. Friends, after that we have to subtract the numerator. Here 5 by 36. Friends, it's your answer of this subtraction. Similarly, students, suppose I here write another question. Subtract 9 by 15 from the sum of 1 by 3 and 7 by 9, 7 by 12. Students, here we have to subtract this from the sum of this. That means it will be written here 1 by 3 plus 7 by 12 in a bracket. That means first of all find the sum of this and then minus 9 by 15. Clear, students? Now first of all find the sum. That means here write LCM is 12 and divide 12 by 3 4 times, that means 4 plus here 1 times 7. Now minus 9 upon 15. After that, students, it will be 11 by 12 minus 9 by 15. After that, students, you have to find the LCM of the denominators. Here find LCM of 12 and 15. Here 12 and 15 3 times, here 4 and here 5. That means LCM is equal to 60. LCM is equal to 60. So here write 60 and divide 60 by 12. That means 5 times and 11 into 5 minus 9 into here 4 times and multiply 4. When you divide 60 by 15 4 times and here multiply 55 minus 36 by 60. Clear, friends? After that, here you have to subtract and subtract 15 minus 6 9 and here 4 1 19 by 60. Friends, it's your final answer. Similarly, students, you can solve all of the questions in your exercise in exercise 5F. Here, students, all of the questions are very easy, but here I will discuss here some questions more, some questions. So now I write here next question. Here next question I write 8 by 15 minus 9 by 20 plus 5 by 12, and another question is written here. First of all, solve this question. Here first of all you have to find LCM, and LCM of 15 20 and 12 divided by 2 15, here 10, here 6, again 2 times 15, here 5 and 3, again 5 times 3, suppose here 3 times, here 5 and 1, again 5 times 1 and 1. Friends, when you multiply 5 3 is 15, 15 to the 30, 30 is 60. That means LCM is equal to 60. LCM of denominator is equal to 60. So here write 60 in denominator and divide 60 by 15 4 times and 8 into 4 minus, here minus sign is given, and 9 into, here divide 60 by 20 3 times plus, here 12 divided by 60 by 12 5 times, 5 into 5. Friends, after that here 60 and here 32 minus 27 plus 55 by 60. Friends, here when you do process, first of all add of this and this, and after that subtract, or simply I think you know the simplification of this. So here first of all subtract. Suppose here this is subtracted and it will be 5 and plus 55 by 60. Students, here 60 upon 60, that means 1 times and result equal to 1. Its simple value is equal to 1. Simplest value is 1. It's your answer. Suppose you have to solve this question, and many questions will be asked in your exercise, this type of question. Here watch carefully. Here equal to, you can write it 8 by 1, and here it is a mixed fraction. In mixed fraction, minus, here write 6 to 8, 8 by 3, and minus, again minus, here 8 3 are 24 and 24 31 by 8. After students, find the LCM, and you know here LCM is equal to 3 and 8. LCM of 3 and 8 is equal to 24. So here write 24 and divide 24 by 1, 20 times 24, 24 into 8 minus here 8 into, when you divide 24 by 3, 8 times into 8 minus 31 into here 3 times here 3. After that students, here write, you multiply here 2, 8 4 ja 32, 8 and 16, 190. Here minus 64 minus 93, 24. Friends, after that here 24 and right, first of all subtract it or add it and then subtract. Minus minus plus. Friends, remember the process in integers. Minus minus plus and sign be negative. So here when you add minus minus, operation be plus, addition. So 192 minus, when you add 9, 4, 3, 7 and 6, 9, 6, 16. So sorry, 9, 6, 15. Now subtract 157. Here 157, 157. Here 2, 5. Here 8 and B 3 and 1 cancel, 24. Friends, and here observe, it's in a simplest form, but you can write it in mixed fraction. So its value becomes 1 whole, and when you subtract it, 1 whole 111 by 24, its answer. Here, clear students? I think this type of question you will do easily, and here I will give you homework. Complete exercise 5F from 1 to 15 question. No, if you are able to complete the exercise, then you can do, but here I give you the homework. Complete 1 to 15 of exercise 5F. Here completed. That's all. Thank you.